friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Ramadan food vlog. This is day number 4. So here I'm just marinating some lamb chops, that's 500 grams. I've already added a drizzle of oil and some paprika, that's a tablespoon. That's cumin powder or zira powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons. I've added half a teaspoon of chili powder, of course add more if you like the heat. Some coarse black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mixed curry powder and some mixed herbs, in particular oregano. And that's ginger garlic paste, another tablespoon. I've also added a drizzle of yellow mustard. It's mixed together. I would leave it to the side for at least half an hour. That's mint yogurt. The recipe is already on my channel. And I've also got some aloo tikki ready for frying nearer to iftar time. The chicken breast has been cut into cube size, and the basmati rice soaked in water, all ready and prepared to make the biryani. My lamb chops are all ready to go under the grill. Now for the dessert, I'm going to do a semolina cake. You can grease the baking tray with some butter or oil, or use a baking paper like I have. Baking time is half an hour to 40 minutes, gas mark 6. For the sugar syrup, I've added a bit of colour, that's optional. Add the sugar syrup to the cake whilst it's nice and hot.